If somebody would ask you, what is the main role of the project manager? What would you say? Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with JD. So as you got it, in today's session we're going to talk about what is the main role of the project manager. We are all project managers, right? We've got this job, we've got this profile and we are working on it. Now we need to understand that from your examination perspective, from your PMBOK perspective, what does it state is your key role from your project manager perspective. So there are two key aspects that the project manager continuously works on, and I think this is the most important part in our real life also. I think we already do it, but when we talk about theoretical part of it, it gets a little difficult for us to put it in words. Let me make it simple for you. I think two key important things that the project manager manages is A, it performs integration, right? Because we all know that as project managers, the expectation from the project manager is not to be a subject matter expert in all the knowledge areas which are available in PMBOK. In your real life, is it going to be possible that you are an expert, you are an SME in risk also and in cost also? Maybe not. Will there ever be a scenario that there is somebody who is a subject matter expert in defining the entire scope and also managing the procurement, managing the third party vendor communication? That would not be the scenario. So what do you do as a project manager? For you as a project manager, your key job here is to get everything together. Everything is working, right? Everybody is working, everybody is doing their great jobs. People are doing risk, people are doing cost, people are doing quality, people are doing procurement. But are they together right now? No. That's the key job of a project manager. You as a project manager are responsible for performing the integration of all the small pieces which are working around, which are floating around. And that makes you a great project manager. And the second important part of a project manager is communication. A project manager is communicating all the time. 90% of the time you are communicating. You are either communicating with your team, with your stakeholders, with your sponsor, with other project managers, with PMO, right? So you're all the time communicating. It all depends upon what and how you have to do. So these are the two key aspects from a project manager perspective, and you have to keep this in mind. So think about integration as balancing. It balances all the processes in the knowledge area. Now which all knowledge areas we have? We have scope, we have cost, we have time, we have risk, we have quality, we have procurement, we have stakeholder, we have communication. All the various knowledge areas that you have, you are balancing. All these things do not work independently, right? Even if they do, it will not be a cohesive job. Whatever work that particular team will be doing, they will just do within the limited boundaries of what they know. But as a project manager, it is your job, it is your profile to get everything together. So while you are working on the project, for example, you are finalizing on the scope. But to finalize on the scope, you need another team's help that will tell you that which will be the resources that will be available for you at that point of time. Or for example, if you are discussing on quality, or you're preparing your quality matrix, you will need support from some other team that will help you tell the organization level thresholds. So these are all part of the communication, right? So guys, understand and remember this very clearly, that you as project managers do not have to be an expert in all the streams that you are doing. Of course, from an examination perspective, you have to be. But when you talk about your real life scenario, your real life projects, the two important prospects and the two important roles that a project manager plays is A, performing integration, and B, communicating as the way the stakeholder accepts. Right, that is also important, and we'll see about this in quite detail when we do that knowledge area. So that is it from mine for today's session. I hope you like it. Please click on the like button and comment on the video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and so till we meet in the next session, keep connecting, keep studying, and all the best.